Hi everyone, my name is Philip and I'm the data product guy. Today, I want to show you how we are planning an MCP server architecture for our data platform, right around data as a product. And I hope this gives you like a quick overview of what we're going to do. First of all, let me show you my overall picture. So in the center, you have like the coordinator. It's also an MCP server, and he is like the guy who's actually go and taking the request from the user or the agent or whatever. And then he's talking to planner and ask him, hey, look, this is what someone wants to do. Can you kind of like give me a plan of what I need to do to go and solve this topic or this issue for the user? And then based upon the plan, he actually knows like what other MCP servers I have around. For better understanding, like the MCP service, you can kind of talk of like microservices. So he knows which microservice or MCP servers are available. And then he tells me, hey, to answer that question, you first have to talk to our data product MCP server, which knows like in its resources all the information, governance information about like the data product, and also like other topics like, okay, like the tooling. So in the tools, he knows like what are the API requests, for example, to create a data product. So that's in here. And then additionally, you have like the Fabric MCP, which is like an MCP server that Microsoft is hosting at GitHub. It's an open source part thing where you can actually go and talk to your Fabric tenant and asking like or get information about like workspace and stuff and so on. So this is pretty cool. Huh? So I don't want to make it too much into detail. You can like see the whole thing under my blog, which is like the dataasaproductguy.com. Yeah. So you can see all separate steps there. What is really like cool, I want to go through like a one step-by-step like example from start to end. Yeah. And here I just tell you, it's like, think about it. You get like the onboarding of domain A is like asked for a product X to consume it, yeah? And he wants to ensure that it's GDPR compliant and doesn't break any downstream models. So the coordinator gathers the resources, means like the contract, the schema hash, personal information tags, purpose limitation, policy subscription policy, whatever it needs in there. Huh? Then the planner goes and takes like produce a plan. So it makes like a step-by-step list of what is required, checks, and actions explicitly, preconditions, like everything that you need, like even all the approvals that you need, yeah. Rollback notes, like what happens if not, yeah. Then gives it back to the coordinator, and the coordinator executes. He says runs the policy evaluation needed, triggers, calls platform create subscription, oh, and whatever is needed in there. Yeah. Then at the end, it notifies via service bus that the access is granted and or subscription got created. Huh? And then at the end of the day, the data product MCP confirms the readiness, which means like he validates the contract, the compatibility, shares product metadata back as governance evidence. So I know it's like quite a little bit like quick, but I realize that like time is valuable, your time is valuable, my time is valuable. If you have further questions, drop me in the some in the comments. And if you want to read the full thing, check out like my blog, the dataasaproductguy.com, and you're very welcome to participate or give feedback. Hey, thank you. Then have a nice day and talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks, Philip.